Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE V20, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications, expand them, and in here you'll find your toggle for power saving mode somewhere. There it is. So it's called battery saver. So once you locate the toggle, you can tap on it. It will bring up a pop-up right here, giving you a brief little explanation of what will happen. So to extend battery life, battery saver will turn on dark theme, turn off or restrict background activities, some visual effects, and other features like Hey Google. So let's select turn on, and there we go. There's our dark mode, obviously. And right now you are in the power saving mode. So that is how you turn it on. Now once you're done with it, you can go back to the little toggles right here, tap on it once more, and this will revert everything back to functioning normally. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.